This is the general tab. This is the go-to tab for everything that the Home Investor tool provides. Let me break it down for you in simple parts if you don't mind. The first up here is the header. It shows the address, what the condition is if you choose to use that function, the class, the status, the list price. The next row are basic facts about the house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. It's got, we identified that the tax and MLS call it out as 2 bays. There's not a pool or HOA, so those are grayed out. Footage, lot footage, type of single family. So this case, it's single family. It's a single story, okay, which is pointed out here. Been on the market less than 14 days. It was built in 1973. These are the schools. This is the tax value and the unexempt annual. The next are a series of tabs for the calculators that we've created. So we start with the buy and sell, the buy and hold, the compilator, which is the calculator for comps. This is a CMA that we've developed, which is much richer in data than any other CMA you'll ever see. This is our ARV product, which is identified below how we came up with our value, in this case of 165. Market average, these are all the other comps that were not used in doing the ARV. Wholesale, which is we use a completely other set of comps for wholesale. We go out 3 miles and bounce it around a little bit. 3 miles and we look for the bottom of the market. These is the rent calculator, our proprietary repair calculator, which each one of these will have tutorials that we'll be including here in the next that have available to you. So what you have here is the complete set of tools that we provide. Down below are the information and the facts that you might require in order to make a decision. So the first is MLS, the next is tax, and you can tab across to get the various categories. This is the difference between tax and MLS. This is notes. Looks like a yellow pad in case you want to use a yellow pad. A lot of people do. This is census information. Nearby schools, analytics, and this is infrastructure. So you've got, you can click on these to see what's nearby. And for purchases, even though that's not a core thing, it's helpful to have basic idea of what's the infrastructure surrounding the house. This is our general tab. Thanks for watching.